fixed supply. In some circumstances, the supply of a product or service may be fixed. In this case, the supply curve will be vertical, as sellers are unable to increase the supply even when prices rise. Can you think of an example of when this might occur? Here's a good example. A good example is this. St James's Park football ground has a seating capacity of 52,000 seats. It's impossible to offer more than 52,000 seats for a football match at the venue. So even if the tickets were to rise from £50 to £150 per match, no more seats could be supplied. Let's consider another example. RJ Borg, a family business in the USA, sells handmade tennis rackets. Their supply schedule shows how many rackets they supply depending on the price at a fixed point. Consider these questions relating to the case study. Using the supply schedule and graph, when the price goes up to $200, how many tennis rackets will RJ Borg supply? That's right, 145. Do you think this is an extension or contraction in supply? It's an extension, because as the price is rising, the quantity supplied is also rising. A new centre court is being built in the Louis Armstrong Stadium in New York City, and it has a capacity of 15,000 seats. Because the centre court is new, they'd like to raise the ticket prices from $50 to $70 to watch a tennis match. How does this affect supply? Supply will not change, as there are a fixed number of seats at the centre court, so no more than 15,000 can be sold at any price.